morning. Today we will learn about tenses. The concept of tense used to refer to time an action take place whether in past, in present or it will take in future. So tenses are used to denote time and action in a sentence. So we can say time plus action resulted into tenses. So talking about types of tenses. There are three types of tenses. First, present tense, that used for actions which are happening now. Like it used to describe a current activity or state of being. Coming to past tense, it is used to indicate finished action in the past. Future tense, it is used to denote an action that is expected to take place in future. Now we will discuss about present tense. We use present tense to describe an event in real time that is happening at that very moment. The present tense is of four types. First, simple present tense. Second, present perfect tense. Third, present continuous tense. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Now we will see these tenses in detail. Simple present tense. It is used to express habits, universal truth, unchanging situation. Under present indefinite, we include the following activities like routine action, like I come to school daily. We say he smokes, so it comes under habit. For universal truth, like the sun rises in the east, they all are examples of simple present tense. Now we will look the structure of simple present tense. First, there is a subject like I, you, he, she. Then verb in the present form. For the subject like I, you, we, they, we, the verb doesn't end with s. But with the subject like he, she, it, we generally add s to the verb like walks, works, visits, goes. Moving on to examples. So, she drinks tea at breakfast. So, why we use here drinks? Because there is singular noun she. Water freezes at 0 degree. It is an fact. He works in the school. So, it is routine action. Present perfect tense. When an action that has recently finished is expressed in present perfect tense. The structure is we use subject, then has or have, then verb past participle. For example, I have walked to school every day. He has come to Delhi recently. They have travelled to Dubai twice. So, for the subject like I, we, you, they, we will use have, and for he, she, it, we use has. Now, coming to present continuous tense. When an action is going on at the time of speaking, it comes under present continuous tense. The structure is the subject, then use of am is are, like what is suitable with, like for the subject like I, we will use am, for he, she, it, we use is, and for we, you, they, we use are. Then verb with ing. For example, it is snowing outside. I am studying for my exam. So I here like put a picture that a person is studying for his exam. Population is increasing day by day. So these examples tell us that the action is still going on. Now coming to last but not the least, present perfect continuous tense. It shows that action already started in the past but still going on comes under the present perfect continuous tense. Moving on to the structure, first we use subject, then has, have, been plus verb with ing. For the subject like I, we, you, they, we use have, and for the subject like he, she, it, we use has. Okay, now coming to example, I have been studying for 3 hours now. Like I was studying for 3 hours now. Like it shows that the action was going like started earlier but still going on. It has been snowing all morning. It means that it doesn't end. They have been living in Delhi for 5 years. So these are examples of present perfect continuous tense. This is all. Thank you everyone. Now I just end my class with this quotation. The expert in anything was once a beginner. So what I'm here trying to say is that never stop learning. Always take initiate to do anything, because when you don't start you don't come to an any end, but once you started anything, when you begin anything, eventually or gradually somehow you may become expert in that. So that's for all. Thank you.